Welcome back Car Review everyone. Today we're stepping into the future of luxury travel, the Volvo Luxury Motorhome, a stunning combination of design, technology, and comfort that takes the idea of mobility to an entirely new level. This is not just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece on wheels, crafted for those who believe travel should never compromise luxury. Let's explore what makes this futuristic giant one of the most incredible creations in automotive design. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Volvo motorhome grabs attention like nothing else on the road. It looks more like a concept spaceship than a traditional RV. The fluid, sculpted lines flow seamlessly across the massive body, giving it a futuristic and aerodynamic look. The front end is dominated by a sleek glass canopy that wraps around the cabin, creating a panoramic cockpit view for the driver. The signature Volvo badge sits boldly at the center, glowing with elegance against the black glass facade. The LED lighting design is sharp and modern, stretching across the front and sides with integrated light strips that enhance its presence at night. The body panels are finished in a mix of metallic silver and matte graphite, creating a perfect contrast of power and grace. The massive chrome wheels add to the commanding stance, making it look like a rolling piece of architecture rather than a vehicle. The moment you step inside, the experience transforms entirely. The interior is designed like a five-star luxury apartment. Volvo has clearly aimed for perfection here: soft touch leather surfaces, high-quality wood trims, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The living area is spacious and features a large sofa set, a glass dining table, and hidden storage compartments that maintain a minimalist look. A massive 4K OLED television, a surround sound audio system, and panoramic glass windows make it a perfect place to relax or entertain guests. The open kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances including a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and even a built-in espresso machine. Every inch of the cabin is intelligently designed to feel open and luxurious. Moving toward the rear, the master bedroom feels like something from a high-end hotel suite. It features a king-size bed with memory foam, customizable lighting, and climate control for absolute comfort. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, and automatic blinds ensure privacy when needed. The attached bathroom continues the theme of luxury: a full-size shower cabin, premium fixtures, and elegant marble finishes make it one of the most refined bathrooms you'll ever see in a motorhome. There's even a walk-in wardrobe and a vanity area, proving this Volvo isn't just about travel, it's about living in style. Under the hood, the performance is just as impressive as its looks. The Volvo Luxury Motorhome comes with a state-of-the-art hybrid or fully electric drivetrain option, depending on configuration. The electric motors deliver exceptional torque for effortless acceleration despite its size. The vehicle rides on an adaptive air suspension system that automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey. The steering feels light and precise, assisted by Volvo's advanced AI driving system, which supports semi-autonomous driving on highways. Regenerative braking technology captures energy while slowing down, extending range and enhancing efficiency. The roof is equipped with integrated solar panels that help recharge the battery during travel, making it an ideal choice for off-grid luxury living. Safety, of course, is where Volvo never compromises. The motorhome includes advanced driver assistance systems, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and a smart sensor system that monitors the surroundings in real time. Whether driving through city streets or exploring remote highways, this motorhome offers peace of mind at every turn. Now let's talk about the price. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The Volvo Luxury Motorhome is expected to start at around $2.5 million, with higher-end custom variants reaching close to $3 million, depending on personal specifications. But for those who demand the best of design, technology, and comfort in one mobile masterpiece, it's an unmatched experience. So there you have it, the Volvo Luxury Motorhome, a breathtaking fusion of futuristic design, power, and elegance. It's not just transportation, it's a new way of living, redefining what luxury travel truly means.